All right, here we go. What the heck? All right, everybody. Here we go. Drew for teams, no trades in the chat. Here we go. High end, top sterling, single box. This is a random team number 2. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. No trades in the chat. No trades. Beautiful high end, tops sterling. Oh, let's go. Okay. Oh, this could be something crazy. All right. Icons. That could be anybody. Tops All-Star Rookie Cup team. All right. There is one of one cuts, musician presidents. Maybe that's what they're talking about. Any guesses? Who is the icon? Who is the icon they're talking about? We're saving that one. Who is the icon? I'm going to Tops All-Star Rookie Cup team. All right, take your guesses. Icons, Tops All-Star Rookie Cup team. Take your guesses in the comments. Who is it going to be? Actually, you know what? Just in case there is a random I need to do for the icons, I got to set up. All right, here we go. This is the Tops All-Star Rookie Cup team. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. I don't know if this is what we're... Okay, it is. It is. Boom! Adley Rutschman out of 10. Patch auto, top sterling. Baltimore Orioles spot, Big Hawk. Congratulations getting the Adley Rutschman rookie out of 10. That is definitely a boom. Adley Rutschman, Orioles spot. Ryan, non-baseball, will random it between all 30 MLB teams. I got the random all set up if that's what it is, if it's non-affiliate. Adley Rutschman, first hit. All right. This is nuts. If this is a one-of-one, that's going to be crazy because there's a huge checklist if you haven't seen it already. Like I said, there's like Ronald Reagan, Ulysses S. Grant's, Johnny Cash, Louis Armstrong, people like that on the checklist. So let's see. Oh, this could be a one-of-one. This could be a one-of-one. If it's one of those I just mentioned, it is a one-of-one. We will see. Good luck, y'all. Here we go. All right. I am not going to look. Cut Fred Astery, top certified cut signatures. Fred Astery. I honestly have no idea who that is, so I will have to look him up. It is a Sterling cut signature card, though. We did get a cut. Dancer, singer, and actor. All right, so we are going to be having to randomize this. This is probably maybe a 75 point, 100 point. All right. So we are going to have to randomize this. And it is a 1 of 1 as well because it is a cut auto. I did not see it, but it is right there at 1 of 1. Beautiful 1 of 1. Fred Astaire. Dancer, singer, and actor. All right. I'm going to go ahead and... All right, there is all the teams. Okay, so this is, again, for the 1 of 1 Fred Astaire cut auto. We got one. We got one. All right, here is all 30 teams. Since this was a random team, 10 times in the random we did earlier, we're going to go ahead and randomize 10 times again. Top team after every random, top team after 10 times is going to get the 1 of 1. All right, everybody, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, boy, here we go. 10 times in the random. Who's getting the 1 of 1? 10 times. Here we go. Nationals spots. Nationals 10 times in the random. All right, who's getting that? Nationals. Martin Clark.